Warning: these 5 summer drinks are destroying your liver. Think your favorite summer drinks are harmless? Think again. Some of the most popular beverages you reach for when it's hot outside could be silently destroying your liver. Yes, even those refreshing sweet drinks you love might be doing more harm than good. Today, I'm revealing the top 5 summer drinks that are destroying your liver health, and more importantly, how you can protect yourself this summer. Stick around till the end because I'll share safe and delicious alternatives that will keep you cool and your liver happy. Did you know that liver disease is one of the fastest growing health problems worldwide? Often the damage happens quietly, without obvious symptoms, until it's advanced. That's why understanding how your everyday choices, like what you drink, impact your liver is crucial. Summer is a perfect time to make smarter hydration choices that support your liver rather than harm it. So without further delay, let's dive into the 5 summer drinks you need to be cautious about. The first summer drink to watch out for is sugary lemonade and fruit punches. These drinks are often the go-to refreshers at picnics, parties, and barbecues because they taste sweet and satisfying. But beneath that sweetness lies a hidden danger, a massive amount of added sugar, especially fructose, which can overload your liver. When you consume too much fructose, your liver turns it into fat, leading to fatty liver disease, which impairs how well your liver works. Studies have shown that regularly drinking sugary beverages significantly increases the risk of developing liver fat buildup and inflammation. What's worse, even a single glass of these drinks can bring you dangerously close to exceeding the daily recommended sugar intake. Instead of reaching for sugary lemonade or fruit punches, try fresh lemon water with a splash of natural sweetener like monk fruit or stevia. This way you can enjoy a refreshing drink without putting your liver under stress. Next up are sweetened iced teas. You might think iced tea is a healthy alternative to soda, right? Well, think again. Many commercial iced teas are sneaky sugar bombs loaded with added sugars and artificial flavors that put serious strain on your liver. These sweeteners and preservatives don't just add calories, they actually make it harder for your liver to detoxify your body and can trigger inflammation. Imagine giving your liver a double curse every time you sip that healthy drink. The good news? You can easily avoid this by brewing your own iced tea at home with natural ingredients like green tea, hibiscus, or fresh herbs. Not only does this cut out harmful additives, but it also gives your liver a boost with antioxidants that actually help it heal. Now, let's talk about pre-made smoothies and juice cocktails. Sounds healthy, right? Packed with fruit and vitamins. Here's the catch: most store-bought versions are loaded with concentrated sugars, but missing the fiber that whole fruits provide. Without fiber to slow things down, that sugar rush hits your bloodstream fast, causing insulin spikes and inflammation deep inside your liver. Insulin resistance and fatty liver disease, a hidden danger lurking in your favorite smoothie. Want to enjoy smoothies without the risk? Make your own at home using whole fruits, veggies, and a good balance of fiber and protein. That's the secret to keeping your liver happy while still enjoying a tasty treat. Now let's move on to alcoholic cocktails with added sugars. Sure, a cold cocktail might feel like the perfect way to cool down, but combining alcohol with sugary mixers is a recipe for disaster, especially for your liver. It's like asking your liver to fight 2 battles at once, processing the toxic effects of alcohol and dealing with the flood of sugar. This double stress can rapidly lead to alcoholic fatty liver disease, inflammation, and even long-term liver damage. Think of it as pouring gasoline on a fire. If you love cocktails, try switching to mocktails made with natural ingredients. You get all the flavor without the harmful effects. Last but not least are energy drinks and sports drinks. These are often marketed as the ultimate summer pick-me-up or hydration fix, but many are packed with a dangerous combo of high caffeine and sugar. This cocktail can cause liver toxicity, dehydration, and spikes in blood sugar, all of which add up to serious liver stress. The intense caffeine can also make you crave more sugary foods and drinks, trapping you in a harmful cycle. A better option? Reach for natural electrolyte replacements like coconut water, which hydrate without the harmful sugar and chemicals, giving your liver a much-needed break. To quickly recap, those refreshing summer drinks you love, sugary lemonades, sweetened iced teas, sugary alcoholic cocktails, and energy or sports drinks can all silently damage your liver. Many of these beverages are loaded with added sugars, artificial ingredients, and chemicals that overload your liver and promote fatty liver disease. The scary part is that this damage happens quietly, without obvious symptoms, until it's serious. The good news is, you don't have to give up flavor or refreshment to protect your liver. Always check ingredient labels carefully for hidden sugars and additives. Opt for homemade drinks like fresh lemon water with natural sweeteners, brewed iced teas with herbs, whole fruit smoothies, mocktails made from natural ingredients, and natural electrolyte drinks like coconut water. These choices keep you hydrated, energized, and most importantly, support your liver health. Your liver works tirelessly every day to keep your body clean and healthy. Don't let these common summer drinks undo all that hard work. Choose wisely, stay refreshed, and give your liver the care it deserves. Now here's what I want you to do next. Hit that like button right now if you learned something new today, and don't forget to subscribe and ring the notification bell so you never miss tips that can protect your health. Share this video with your friends and family because summer is for enjoying life, not damaging your liver. And comment below with your favorite healthy summer drink. I'm excited to read your suggestions and share more ideas in future videos. Remember, every small choice adds up to big health wins. Start today and let your liver thank you tomorrow.